Hey guys, Keegan here, and I'm back. I've taken a big break from YouTube, mainly due to time. There's nothing bad happened in my life for those who follow the videos that I've put out in the past somewhat regularly. I did have some nice comments from folks hoping that I was going to make more videos, so it's nice to get that encouragement too, so thank you. But mainly just juggling life, full-time job that's kind of gotten busier over the last couple of years, and a 4-year-old son who, when he was like 1 or 2, and they're not mobile, you can do almost anything you want to some degree if you manage it correctly. 4-year-old, tough to manage, and we're at home all the time. COVID, we're at home a lot, so have not had a chance to make a lot of videos. Been trying to live life somewhat to the fullest given the circumstances, and spend a lot of time with my youngster, the little man, and wife, and just having a good time. So nothing bad has happened, but time is tough. So luckily I'm a landscaper. We don't do a whole lot in the winter time, so having a little more time to put out videos. Hopefully the weather cooperates like it is right now. It's a beautiful day here in sunny Des Moines, Iowa. It's nice to say that one day, but big snowstorm coming tomorrow is going to hit. So if weather cooperates, I should have some nice videos for you. I have one coming out soon that should be just kind of a universal grill cart, smaller build for folks that are interested in that type of stuff. And then going to try to hit a little more on the everyday cooking. So things that'll help you out, not only during the weekend when you're doing like a 6-hour, 10-hour, 12+ hour smoke session, but quick weeknight meals that I think are amazing. Things that I have been doing at home for quite a while, just sharing those marinades, those recipes, and we're gonna hit steaks right off the bat. So everything I feel that I know about steaks, I'm gonna try to send your way in regards to more like the everyday, how do you make a great weeknight meal, and not using $100 tomahawk ribeyes. We'll hit some more stuff that is a little more budget friendly and still get the job done and would impress even company coming over on the weekend as well, but nice to have on the weekday just for you and your family. So that's kind of what we got on store. Keep an eye out for the grill table build. That's the universal cart that'll be coming up soon. And then if you're having trouble on any of the grill table builds from the past, or there's things that are giving you trouble on the grill or the smoker, leave a comment down below and I'll try to answer those questions as well. So look forward to seeing people a little more often from this side of the lens, and we'll catch you later. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.